Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about Michael's credit card and what are the things to know about the Michael's credit card. Yes, firstly I want to say that it works only for Michael's purchases. The Michael's credit card is a closed loop product, meaning you won't see a Visa or MasterCard logo printed on the card, so it can be used only inside Michael's stores or on michaels.com. In fact, the card's use is limited even within the Michaels family of brands. It can be used on Michaels specialty sites like Marshall's CustomFarming.com or Michaels photogifts.com. Similarly, the rewards you can earn through this card are redeemable only with Michaels. For example, you are earning 9% in store rewards and not cashback. And the second one, your rewards are easy to track but expire quickly. Compared with many store rewards program, and Michael's rewards are refreshingly easy to track and redeem. Anytime you reach a $5 threshold of earned rewards, those rewards will be issued within 72 hours as a rewards vouchers, which will appear automatically in your account online or in the Michaels app. And the third thing to know, the quality of cardholder perks is questionable. Along with the ongoing 9% back in rewards, the Michaels cards advertises the following perks: one time 20% discount on your first purchase with the Michaels card, and occasional free shipping offers online orders with minimum purchase, and periodic offers for special financing. And the fourth thing is that to know about Michael's credit card, you won't want to carry a balance. Like most store credit cards, the Michael's card carries a high 29% annual percentage rate, or APR as of this writing. That's more than 9 percentage points higher than the average APR among credit cards that is assessed interest as of the first quarter of 2023 according to the Federal Reserve. And the last thing about Michael's credit card rewards hardly outpace the three free to join program. Why 9% back in rewards would have any maker go googly-eyed? Grafters should consider that those earnings don't come from the Michael's credit card alone. So thank you for watching my videos. See you by next videos. Thanks a lot.